Hey remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I have these two websites that we're gonna visit and we are going to find remote jobs either worldwide or in the United States. Starting with this website, actually those websites are my favorite websites to find remote jobs. If you go to weworkremotely.com and you will filter, all right, you can filter jobs, and today you can see there is new jobs. There is this one, new jobs, senior rare developer remotes. You can work as a contractor in America only or in the Europe only. And we have this one, full stack Ruby engineer. This is a new one as well. So if you go down, you go to the senior PHP developer. This was posted January 8th. Actually, it's today as I make this video. This one is remote as well, and you can work anywhere in the world. And going on with other jobs, new jobs, I'm gonna show you my favorite that we're gonna review today. This one also is full stack web developer, was posted January 8th. And if you go down here, it's called Sales Development Representative for Remote, and you can work anywhere in the world. So this job was posted January 8th. So this is remote sales development representative for remote, and the payment is gonna go up to 48,000 USD a year, and you can work in sales and marketing anywhere in the world. So they are fast growing lead generation agents. They are looking for anyone to work in this position, sales and development, marketing, remote. Let me go and show you the responsibility for this one. It's aggressive lead pursue, client communication mastery, anything related to sales, guys. Okay, here there is requirements: except exponential organization and time management skills, stellar writer English communication skills is a requirement as well. Sales starter with ability to adapt with disciplined processed. Cold email experience is preferred but not required. More important is willingness to learn. So apply to this position. The company of this is Sales CO, and you can work anywhere in the world. Copy this name, sales.co, and remote sales development representative for remote. Yes. And if you go to in deep of what the company is, they work with clients more than 5,000 companies. So they are working with different companies, and you can be among of their team to work with those companies as well. So let's go back to the other jobs we have. Content marketer for word reading translation. All right. So this is content marketer. So you can work in the Europe. This is not worldwide, but it is remote. Remote content marketer for a word reading translation plug. You can work in Europe only. Because content marketer, you can work with this position. Make sure you check it out as well. They offer 100% remote, so you can see if you have your laptop computer budget to make your workplace better. So they give you computer as well, a kind of advice with access to their company Amazon account. So they have so many benefits. So because we have so many jobs today, we are going to try to go fast. And this job is new too. If you go to this job, remote team lead, chatting development, chatting department, and M&A market management. This job was posted on January 4th, and they can pay up to 74,000 USD. So yes, the job is still open, and this is their company. So if you go to your Google browse, try to look at this um, company M&A studio. Yes, you can take a look and see if you can apply to this job. Let me give you the responsibility: team management, KPI management, quality control and recruitment, script writing, sales through chatting. There is so many things to do here. It's all about marketing and chatting with clients. Here there is a requirement: flexible working hours, management experience, sales and operations, communication proficiency, team risk qualities is important as well. So now you can see you can work 100% remote, and it is 100% flexible. So enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere globally. Strictly the perfect balance between your professional and personal life. Comprehensive training, gain access to continuous training, ensuring you stay ahead in social media trend and sales techniques, supporting team equipment, supporting team environment, collaborate with experienced professional in teams, dedicated in supporting your personal and professional development, make a real impact, contribute significantly to the growth and access of our client, assi- assisting them in in navigating the over evolving digital landscape. So if you want to join the team, again, copy this one: M&A management. You can copy this one in your Google browser. Try to see the company itself and see where they are located. You can see they are located in California, and see if you can apply to their job. All right, so this is one of the jobs here on weworkremotely.com. There is this one. We have reviewed this one as well, so I think this one is new. If you click here, more jobs in sales and marketing, you will see sales and development representative. There is this one in Europe only. Okay, there is this one, Facebook AD buyer. This is in the United States only. Here there is another one, inside high ticket sales representative. This one is in the US only. We have reviewed this from A&A management, remote team lead, chatting development. All right, so moving on to the other jobs we have. So we have these other jobs: remote digital marketer, content creation specialist. You can become content marketer. Yes, content creation specialist. You can work anywhere in the world. So from this company, Voyage is the digital studio based in New Zealand. Their team is spread across the globe, working remotely and passionately crafting exponential mobile and web experience. They are currently on the lookout for talented digital marketer for creating content, whether you are situated in New Zealand or you can work remotely. They will be absolutely ready to welcome you. The law for this one is you can see, of course, it's all about digital marketing. Digital marketing is not that much hard as far as I can see. The only thing is that you will be ready to to create content, to write script, to work with social medias, of course, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any type of Snapchat, any type of social media that they work with. So the qualification: proven experience in digital marketing, preferably within tech industry or digital agents or studio, strong writing skills or ability to craft compelling and CEO friendly content. Yes, proficient in social media management and content creation for various platforms. Graphic design experience is essential, and experience in video or motion design is a valuable bonus. All right, so if you have experience in video or any motion design, it is bonus. You'll be having great chance. Additional consideration: collaborative mindset, data driven approach, creativity and adaptability. So how to apply: if you are talented in this digital marketing with a passion for creating content, you are excited about this contribution to their Dynamic digital studio. Please apply with your resume, portfolio, and also a cover letter. Make sure you include your cover letter. Some people apply without cover letter. If they mention cover letter, if you can see where to apply with cover letter, make sure you apply with cover letter. So let me go to this website, simplyhard.com. I know most of you are looking for jobs such as chatting jobs or data entry jobs. Yes, you can see there is chat jobs. Of course, you have to filter jobs which was posted today. There is this customer experience associate from this company, North One. North One is a company, they are looking for customer experience associate, and you can be paid up to $20 per hour. This job was posted 3 hours ago, and the benefits is that you can work from home. Also, they provide dental as insurance. Okay, so here there is a qualification live chat. Here requirements. You can see there is requirements. You are a natural communicator and you love dialogue in solving problem. You are curious and enjoy learning and how a product works, so you can help customer to get the most out of it. So also there is here the bonus. Make sure you understand that the Spanish is preferred but is not a must. So if you are not Spanish speaking, it's okay, you can still apply to this job. So you can see there is a benefit here. You can see from this company, North One is hiring. You can be paid up to $20 per hour. So there is this other company hiring, and the job was posted 7 hours ago. Ship Bomb. Yes, Ship Bomb is hiring again. Yes, the qualification for this job, 1 year of experience, which means with no experience, you can still apply to this job. And it is merchant care support agents. Yes, with you see the job with 1 year of experience, understand that yes, with no experience you can apply. Okay, so the benefits, they have so many benefits: life insurance, referral program. They do have referral program. They have 401k matching, disability insurance, and so many more. Also, you can be paid $17 per hour. So make sure you copy this link, paste in your Google browse, search more about this company and understanding the company before you apply to the job. If you go to this other job, is a customer service representative. Yes, from this company, Suri Agencies. Yes, the job was posted 6 hours ago, and you can see they have the benefits here. They have so many benefits as well. They have paid time off, PTO. They have paid time off, flexible schedule. If you go to qualification, you can see they say no experience needed, and you can apply under 1 year of experience, of course, with bachelor degree. Okay, so now remember the company name. This is the company name, Suri Agencies. If this company is new to you, is your work to find more about the company if you are looking for customer service and sales jobs. Okay, now you can see the qualification. Here there is qualification. As we see here, there is benefits. If you can see, work from anywhere. This is worldwide. Work from anywhere, flexible hours, medical and dental, vision and life insurance, sales and production hours, growth potential, full product and system training. So, guys, they have good pay. Yes, this is amazing company. Actually, I can't believe it. They are paying up to 100,000 USD per year. This is good. So let's go first to the job which was posted today. This is data support analysts. Yes, you can see they only need 2 years of experience in data support. So if you have 2 years of experience in data support, make sure you find this company. This is Imani Advisor is hiring, and you can be paid up to 49,000 USD per year. So we go to other company which was posted here. There is this company, customer support specialist. The job is located in Atlanta, Georgia. From this company, currently they are hiring and they have the benefits, they have paid time off, they have insurance, also they have 401k matching. Okay, if you go to qualification, yes, 1 year. Again, if you see the job posted with the 1 year of experience, know that this job you can apply with no experience. Customer support, yes, is what they are looking for. Specialist, if you are passionate about the customer support, yes, you can do 1 or plus years of experience in software. SaaS customer support, they are looking for you. Live chat or phone customer support experience, someone thrived in challenging, fast-pressing environment and enjoying helping people, driving and ability to thrive in metrics focused role, team environment. Okay, outstanding time management skills, someone who work collaboratively with passionate customer centric team. So they have so many benefits as well. Go through the job. Again, we have so many jobs. I'm just passing through. I don't know which type of job you are looking for. Let me know in the comment. Okay, so there is this other job, technical support specialist. The job was posted 10 hours ago and it is from this company, InDrive. InDrive is hiring to work remotely as well. Okay, so now you can see you can work remote, full time, also middle. Yes, at least 6 years of experience in customer support. Yes, you can have computer, customer focus, stress resistance. Yes, because if you are dealing with customer, of course, expect to have stress. Okay, this position is based in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Wow, this is so good. I actually know this country. I have been in this country, lived in this country. So we are currently active in growing in Tanzania and looking for customer support specialists. This position is based in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. So guys, apply to this job. It's remote. Okay, the company name is InDrive is hiring. Okay, so there is so many companies, but because of time, guys, let me know in the comment what type of job you are looking for, so that next time I will start with the job you are looking for. So good luck in your application. Make sure you share this video with your friends, families, those who are looking for jobs. Share with them this kind of jobs and see if they can get a part-time job or any side hustle. So good luck, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.